some beautiful music, but unfortunately our weather isn't as beautiful in some parts of western New York. Isn't that correct?
You know what can we say, Melina? April showers bring Mayflowers, and apparently snow brings Mayflowers too now, right? The snow isn't going to last all night. If you're looking outside of your window and saying, oh my gosh, it's snowing, temperatures are actually going to warm up overnight. With that, the atmosphere will support all rain showers. Here are your weather headlines. We're going to see rain continuing at times through late Monday. From that time period, tonight through Monday night, we could pick up 1.5 inches, maybe even a little bit more of rainfall. With that, we are under a flood watch. All 8 western New York counties. This flood watch begins Monday afternoon through Tuesday morning. We're mainly worried about flooding near small creeks and waterways. Also, we could see some quick ponding on roadways if we do get caught under a heavy downpour. Forewarned Doppler at this time. Right now, you can see it's indicating mainly rain across the evening, or mainly rain across all of western New York. Light rain at that. A little bit of that mix up there. Now over Lake Ontario, maybe a little bit of wet snow mixing up in here in Niagara and Orleans counties. But again, working our way throughout the overnight hours, temperatures remaining above the freezing point and even warming up a little bit as we work our way towards daybreak. Not a lot as we look back towards the west. That doesn't mean, though, that we can't see any development as this rain is ahead of a warm front. Currently, we're at 32 in Buffalo, so right at freezing there. 34 in the Falls, 40 in Dunkirk, 36 in Jamestown, and 34 for those of you in Bradford. Here's a look at the surface map. So here's what's going to happen. This warm front is going to lift north of western New York overnight. Throughout the day tomorrow, we're going to be in between this warm front and cold front. This is called the warm sector. Notice how these pretty strong storms here are blossoming in that area. That's why tomorrow we're going to be dealing with rain at times, maybe even a few thunderstorms. This cold front will pull through the area tomorrow evening. That's going to bring the temperatures down and increase those winds. As those temperatures fall, we can't rule out that we won't see rain mixing with and changing over to snow. With Future Watch, here we are in your Monday morning commute. Showers possible at that time. I think we're going to see a lull in activity overnight and then redevelopment tomorrow as the system continues to get closer to western New York, that low currently in Iowa. As we work our way throughout the day, rain will continue at times. That cold front passes through tomorrow evening. As that front moves through, we may hear a few rumbles of thunder. On the backside of the storm system, we turn colder. We get windy for our Tuesday. With that, the potential for a rain-snow mix at times for our Tuesday. Your Weather Watch 4 forecast for tonight, becoming breezy overnight with rain at times. Again, we could see it mixing with and changing over to wet snow mainly before midnight. Low temperatures in the low to mid 30s, but warming to the low 40s by daybreak. For tomorrow, mostly cloudy, warmer, breezy. Look at the highs tomorrow, near or at 60 degrees. We're seeing rain at times, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, especially later in the day. Tomorrow night, cloudy, breezy, showers continue, especially early. The possibility of a few thunderstorms as that cold front moves through the area, turning colder tomorrow night. So our high is near 60, lows tomorrow night in the low to mid 30s. So we're really going to drop quite a bit, possibly a mix by daybreak. For Tuesday, mostly cloudy, windy out there, gusts around 30 miles an hour, the chance of light rain and snow showers, high temperatures in the upper 30s, maybe low 40s. For Wednesday, a high of 45, a mix is possible. Some showers look to be likely. Thursday, a high of 50 with partly sunny skies. So we are going to see, quite a bit of rain, Alina, from tonight to early Tuesday morning, about 1.5 inches. And of course, Mike and Don will be here throughout the next couple of days updating the situation.
Okay, thank you so much.